Welcome to the Build Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial will show you how to set up and utilize the vacation and sick leave accruals process available with the Payroll module. Build Information System provides functionalities within the Payroll module that will allow you to create vacation and sick leave plans, which calculates, accrues, and tracks usage, as well as providing a method to adjust and to account for leave of absence exceptions for each employee. Both the vacation and sick leave accruals function the same way, so we will only examine the vacation accruals at this time. To create a vacation accruals plan, select the Additions link adjacent to the Payroll adjustments in the white area of the My Desktop Payroll module, or go to List, Payroll Adjustments, and select Additions in the menu. At the Additions screen, use the Find feature or F5 key to select the default additions code 10, Vacation Pay. Once the record has populated the form, note both Additions Code 10 Vacation Pay and Addition Code 12 Sick Leave have an Accruals tab for defining accrual plans. Select the Accruals tab. As an example, we will create a plan that accrues 40 hours 1 week the first year an employee works, 80 hours 2 weeks the second year. From years 3 through 5, the employees will accrue 120 hours 3 weeks per year. From year 6 on, they will accrue 160 hours 4 weeks per year. The hours will accrue per pay period. First, note the two sections. The upper section allows you to create plans. The lower section allows you to create the plan's levels. To start, click the Add Plan button in the upper right. In the Plans window, enter a plan number and description, and enter the total number of hours, in this example 160, at which the plan stops accruing, in the Stop Accruing After field. Next, select the Accrue method. Selecting pay period will calculate the accrue rate based accordingly by pay period. Selecting rate per hour and then checking which hours to be included will then calculate the accruals according to the selected hours. We will select pay period. When completed, click OK. Now to set the plan's first level, click the Add Level button in the lower right. In the level window, set the 2-month, in this case 12, and hours per year, 40, 1 week. Click OK. Click the Add Level button again to set the second level. In the level window, set the 2-month, in this case 24, and hours per year, 80, 2 weeks. Click OK. Click the Add Level button again to set the third level. In the level window, set the 2 months, in this case 60, and hours per year, 120, or 3 weeks. Click OK. Lastly, click the Add Level button again to set the last level. Check Last Level and enter hours per year, 160, 4 weeks. Note that when creating a plan based on the rate per hour settings, the level window will have both a rate per hour and an actual rate per hour field. Once the 2-month and hours per year are entered, the calculated rate will appear based on the plan's rate per hour settings. You may set up as many accrual plans as needed. Once the plans are set up, you will need to set up and possibly adjust the individual employee master record accruals. Access the Employee Master Record screen by selecting the Employees link in the white area of the My Desktop Payroll module, or go to List and select Employees in the menu. Use the Find feature to select the first employee to set up. Once the master record has populated the screen, select the Accruals tab. To set up the employee's accruals, first under Vacation, click the Eligible setting. A Do you want to fill the date beginning accruing for vacation with the employee's hire date prompt will appear. Select Yes if you want the hire date to be brought into the beginning accruing date field, or select No if entering a different date. If so, enter a beginning accruing date. Next, select a plan using the drop-down to select from the created plans. To enter a beginning balance, click the Adjustments button. In the Accrued Vacation Adjustments window, click the Add button in the lower left, enter an accrued date, hours amount, and description like beginning balance. Click OK. Click OK again to close the Accrued Vacation Adjustments window. The leave of absence function allows exceptions to be entered as needed for days or periods when the employee is not eligible to accrue time. Once the accruals are completed for an employee, save the changes in the employee's master record by clicking the Save icon or using the Control-S key command and proceed to the next employee and repeat the process. You may test the accruals process by starting a payroll in Payroll Hours and Adjustments or by using the Cash Disbursements Payroll Check process. Once an employee is selected and hours entered, view the Totals tab. The lower right has an Accruals section which displays the accrued amount for the pay period based upon the selected plan, etc. There is also an on-the-fly adjustment available. Simply click the Use Custom option and enter a custom amount. The custom amount overwrites the original accrued amount. Upon posting payroll, the payroll check stub will show both the accruals for the period and the year-to-date accruals total. Please make note of the settings available on the PR tab in System-Wide Parameters for allow to use more vacation hours than accrued and reduce hours taken before check is posted, which allow for special circumstances when the need arises. Beginning balances and other adjustments can be entered through the Adjustments button. When a leave of absence condition is created, the accrual will be on hold during the date specified. A new vacation ledger report has been added with summary and detail formats to track accruals and usage. Other reports such as the prepayment list, preview within print payroll checks, payroll check run, and payroll summary will also show accrual amounts. As a special note, some companies provide a blanket annual amount of vacation and/or sick leave either after a probation period or at the beginning of the year or on the anniversary of the employee's start date, so the amounts don't actually accrue. BIS still allows you to do so and track the vacation and sick leave usage throughout the year. To do so, simply create a plan with 0 hours to accrue, which has one level set as the last level. Save the plan. Then select the plan for the employee and enter the amount of hours as an adjustment in the employee's master record as described earlier and save the changes. It will deduct accordingly. Again, remember that the steps and processes for creating and utilizing vacation accruals also applies to sick leave accruals.